Here are the top 5 unique names for a girl Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Number 1. Amelia. With her playful spirit and gentle eyes, she'll surely steal your heart. Number 2. Tilly. A name with a sweet demeanor, a perfect companion for any adventure. Number 3. Zinnia. With her warm, affectionate nature, she'll brighten up any day. Number 4. Pip. A name with boundless energy and infectious enthusiasm. Number 5. Maisie. Her elegant demeanor and kind heart will make her your loyal friend forever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.